Hi, I'm Debbie. And one of the questions that people often ask me is, how do I enjoy sex more? Or, uh, like a lot of times people say that they're really not interested. And so sometimes women complain about, hey, I just do it to make my husband happy. Well, hey, I want you to enjoy it too, right? So, what needs to happen for you to be able to enjoy it? So let's just kind of think about like the openness, right? And so it's not just about emotional blocks, it's really about opening yourself up to be seen and to enjoy. And that you give yourself like permission to enjoy this very intimate part with your spouse or your significant other. So, what oils do that? And so I've actually given this a lot of thought and looked at it from different perspectives. So, the first oil that I really, really like is orange. So, orange just creates this light and happy type of atmosphere because you want to be in that space. And orange also opens up the sacral chakra, so that's important. And so there's other really important things that orange does. As a matter of fact, I made a few notes in my book. So yeah, it's for pleasure, creativity, sensuality, and low libido due to anxiety. So how does that hit so many of us, right? So anyway, consider starting with orange. Just have that diffusing in the background. And then another oil is joy. Joy stimulates the brain for love and affection. So I want to just talk about some of the chemical reactions that we have. So we all know that when we're enjoying sex that we're releasing dopamine, and then that's what causes us to want it more often. But the other thing is oxytocin. So oxytocin is really about that bonding experience that you have. And that's really where you want to get, is to that release of oxytocin so that you really feel that connection with your partner. So joy for that. Then another about releasing blockages would be sensation. So, and sensation is, what it's meant for, is just so that you really can get to the point of intimacy. And then valor is really good for releasing emotional blocks. So there's 4 oils right there. I would say, yes, start with the orange and then at least go for the joy.